Presenting a 1961 Volvo PV544, priced at $7,000. This two-door sedan is powered by an 85-horsepower, four-cylinder OHV engine with 96 cubic inches of displacement. The car features a four-speed floor-shift transmission and a B16 engine block. It's equipped with twin SU side draft carburetors and two front bucket seats. The upholstery and headliner are new. The exterior was painted black about 10 years ago. The car retains its original hubcaps with beauty rings and has good glass all around, including functional wing windows. The engine was tuned up in September 2022, and a new water pump and fluid were installed at the same time. The car also received a new 6-volt battery, new carburetor kits, and a new oil filter with synthetic oil in September 2022. The engine does not smoke, and the brakes are functional. The electric fuel pump has replaced the original mechanical fuel pump. The side stainless trim has been replaced with stick-on trim, which is peeling off. The owner does not have the original trim moldings. The hood latch needs adjustment, but the doors and trunk latch as they should. The electrical system needs some tender, loving care. This is a non-smoking car. Overall, this 1961 Volvo PV544 is a well-preserved survivor with a better-than-average body, mechanical, and interior condition. It was previously owned by a University of Idaho professor who drove it to work, weather permitting, for many years. For sale is a 1930 Ford Model A sedan, priced at $10,000. This two-door sedan has a clear Ohio title and is in running condition. It has been updated to a 12-volt system and has a new distributor, starter, and radiator. The car has new white wall tires, including a spare, and has been freshly painted. The interior has also been redone. The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $9,995, is equipped with a 6-cylinder, 200 cubic inch, 3.3-liter engine and a 3-speed floor shift. The car has good paint and tires with Mustang hubcaps. The interior, red with new black carpet, has been completely redone, including a new dash pad and floor mats. The car has many new parts, including the battery, fuel pump, plugs, wires, gas tank, and carburetor. It runs well on either 87 or 91 gas and has a simple setup that runs on one belt. The car is easy to maintain with lots of room under the hood to work. The glass is in good condition. The 1965 Chrysler Imperial, priced at $5,200, is a rare original survivor. It has an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, both original. The car has run 125,000 miles, with the odometer having rolled over. The body is straight and free from rust. However, the interior needs work.